Alright, welcome to Hell Stoked Garage, and today we're busting nuts! Well, we're going to take out some screws, and we're going to put in this Corbin Pillion Seat on the 2018 Indian Scout Bobber. Replacing this stock pillion seat with this one. So just to show you the size difference, that's a big difference.
It is.
So here is where we get our thumbnail.
You're in it.
Alright. So, 6mm. Take off these side rails. I need to get you in the camera too, don't I?
No.
Because today, we have Steven! Right?
Yup.
So what you want to do is, once you get the rail off, you want to take your bolt and put it back in to hold the fender in place. So when you slide the seat down, it's not going to push the fender down and pinch it, so it's harder to get the rails back on. You know, this is the third time putting the seat on?
Really?
In Spanish, that's tres.
See?
Right?
Yeah, that's right.
Look at the beautiful seat. Look at the detail.
I think Mom's gonna like it better than the other one.
It's so soft and squishy.
Yeah.
I put the backrest on already, because to put it on, you're going to have to take the seat off. So, why do it twice, right?
Yep.
It's on there. So we're going to ever so gently slide the seat down. Ever so gently, Steven.
Ever so gently.
Normally I would use thread locker, but I'm not going to. Okay?
Okay.
You don't even want to know why?
Why? Why are we not doing that?
Because I don't want to.
That's a good reason.
It's November and it's beautiful out.
we didn't get snow this year.
There's still time. Alright. So these Allen head pan bolts that came with it are 5mm. Let me just snug them up. Alright, now I can take these back out. Let's get the rails back on. Isn't that seat beautiful?
It is.
Leaving it loose till I get the other side on. Sound good?
Yup.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Why are you leaving it loose?
Because if you tighten up one side really tight, it might pinch it down, so it's hard to get this side on. You know what I'm saying?
I do now.
Tighten them down. Let's check out the difference again.
Wow.
Soft. Hard. Right?
Right.
Alright. So there's the Corbin Pillion Seat for the 2018 Indian Skull Bobber. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And for God's sake, get out there and work on something. Peace. Son of a bitch!